So learning assessment. Which of these SAP systems? Which of this SAP system is not an ASAP based SAP system? What is that question means here? Which of these SAP systems? They're telling these are all SAP systems. In these SAP systems is not an ASAP based SAP system. It's not an miss. What they're asking is, in these SAP systems, which one is Java based SAP system? That is the question they're asking. Which of this SAP system? They're clearly telling what are the options is there. Those are SAP systems. It's not an ASAP based SAP system. Indirectly, they're asking in these SAP systems, which one is the Java based SAP system? SAP EP is the Java based SAP system. SAP ECC is the ABAP based SAP system. By using SAP ERP application, we install SAP ECC system. SAP ECC is the big system. It is ABAP based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 AS Java, we install SAP Enterprise Portal. It is Java based SAP system. SAP S4HANA Server also one of the SAP system. By using SAP S4HANA, we install SAP S4HANA Server. It is ABAP based SAP system. SAP BW Business Warehouse also ABAP based SAP system. So in this SAP EP is Java based SAP system. This is the answer. So here, which software components among others can be found in every ABAP based SAP system? So what they're telling is, these are all software components. In these software components, you found in every ABAP based SAP system. Which software components you found in every ABAP based SAP system? They're asking that question. SAP _ basis. Yeah. You install SAP S4HANA Server. You install SAP ECC system. You found SAP _ basis software component. It is correct. SAP _ APPL. It is wrong. I did not found SAP _ APPL in every ASAP based SAP system. That's SAP _ APPL software component is available only inside SAP ECC system only. When you install SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP, you did not found SAP _ APPL software component. When we install SAP S4HANA Server, we did not found SAP _ APPL software component. When we install NetWeaver ASAP 7.5 to ASAP, when we install SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP, we did not found SAP _ APPL software component. Only in SAP ECC system only SAP _ APPL software component is available. So that means SAP _ APPL software component is not found in every ASAP based SAP system. It is wrong. S for core. S for core software component is only available in SAP S4HANA Server system only. In SAP S4HANA Server system only, S for core software component is available. That's why when you're converting SAP ECC system to S4HANA Server on that time, this SAP _ APPL software component only convert as S for core. SAP _ APA, yeah. In every ASAP based SAP system, SAP _ APA software component you found. So this two is correct answer. SAP _ basis, SAP _ APA. These two software components you found in every ABAP based SAP system. A, D, correct answer. Which process distribute the incoming request to the Java server process in a Java based SAP system? So you want to log on to the Java system. User want to log on to the Java system. How to log on to the Java system? User, how to log on to the Java system? By using browser only. By using browser only, user log on to the Java system. When user log on to the Java system, ISIM receive user request. ISIM receive user request. ISIM send that user request to Java server process. Here, which process distribute the incoming request to the available Java server process? Who distribute the request, user request to Java server process? ISIM, Internet Communication Manager. In Java based SAP system, your user want to log on to the Java based SAP system by using browser. Whenever you are logging to the SAP system by using browser, your request is received by ICM. ICM distribute your user request to Java server process in Java system. ICM is the correct answer. Internet Communication Manager. Which process is always part of the SCS instance? In Java-based SAP system, they're telling 750 release. So it is 750 release. 750 release means SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java. In SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java, in SCS instance, what is available? Message server is available? Yes, it's available. NQ server is available? Yes, it's available. Web dispatcher is available? Yes, it is available. RFC gateway is available? Yes, it's available. Actually, web dispatcher is not available. Nowadays, when installation time, you got web dispatcher. When installation time, you got web dispatcher. Which release of ASAP does SAP Solution Manager 7.2 use? SAP Solution Manager 7.2 release, ASAP release is 740. AS Java release is 750. SAP Solution Manager 7.2, here SAP Solution Manager, Java 7.2 they ask me 750. SAP Solution Manager ABAP 7.2 release is 740 release. So SAP Solution Manager 7.2 release is 740 release. In that you found SAP NetWeaver 7.4. It is 740 release. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 release is 740 release. Now we see the answers. Okay, SAP Enterprise Portal is Java system. SAP EP is not an ASAP based SAP system. It is Java system. You are correct. The software component SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore API can be found in every ABAP based SAP system. This software component SAP underscore APPL can be found in only ECC system only. This software component S4 core can be found in SAP S4HANA server systems. You are correct. The process which distributes the income request to the Java server process is an Java-based SAP system is Internet Communication Manager, ICM. So here you are correct. A message server, an NQ server, and an RFC gateway is always part of the central service instance in Java-based SAP system 750 release. But in installation time, you get this option, SAP Web Dispatcher. But here, always part, always. Web Dispatcher is optional. You want means you install in SCS instance. You no need means you no need to install. So message server, NQ server, RFC gateway compulsory in SCS instance. Here you saw already server is there, no? In SCS instance, message server, NQ server, gateway. Web dispatcher is optional. I selected in installation time. Message server, NQ server, gateway. Same here. In primary application server instance, ICM is there. In primary application server instance, ICM is there. ICM receive request. ICM send your request to the Java server. So 740 release, SAP Solution Manager, you are correct. SAP Solution Manager ABAP 7.2 use ASAP 740. Other releases ASAP are not possible to use for SAP Solution Manager 7.2. So in this also, quiz also, which are same questions. EP, ICM, message server, NQ server, RFC gateway. 740 release. So this is about Unit 1 is completed. Unit 1 is completed. Total 5 questions is there. Subject-wise knowledge questions. Total 5 questions is there. 5 questions is completed in Unit 1.